That's it, Angelica, you're grounded. Go to your room right now. Angelica, wake up, it's 8 a.m. Go to school, right now.
But Daddy, I am too tired to go to school.
I don't care! Maybe if you stop getting up so early this time at night, closing into a rocket about me. Can't get any sleep.
But I too tired to go to school.
School is educational for you, not you just sleeping in that damn bed all night. It's always your fault, everything you do is your fault, and you are causing trouble. It's, honestly, your fault.
Okay Daddy, can you please stop raging at me this time? I'm already woke up.
Fine, whatever. Get ready for school right now. Right, class. Today we're gonna be doing about the pics about the shapes.
Teacher, can I go to the loo quick?
Whatever, Angelica, just goes to the toilet. But be quick.
Thank you. Instead of going to the toilet, I am going to pull the fire alarm at school today. Hee, but I need to find a room they have a fire alarm. Yes, I finally found it. Now it's my chance to pull down the fire alarm. Now let's get out of here. Hee.
Alright, class. Now it's time to get out of here because there's a fire alarm. I was checking out the fire. There was no fire. I think you might have a fake fire alarm test. I never saw a fake fire alarm test. I think it must be Angelica who did this. I'm gonna have a talk with her. I swear to God, if Angelica did this, she will get excluded. That's it. I'm gonna shout her name. Angelica, 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 Angelica. Get your freaking ass over here, right? And www.
Oh, freak. I am so dead right now.
Angelica, is it true that you pulled down the damn fire alarm? Tell me the freaking truth right now, or else I will get you excluded for the year.
No, fine. Never mind. Yes, I did.
Angelica Lou, blah blah blah. Angelica, I cannot freaking goddamn believe you pulled out goddamn fire alarm again. This is the second time that we did this since 2024. That's it, I am phoning your parents. Get your ass out of my building right now while I'll call your parents. Hello, Angelica's dad. You cannot believe what that Angelica done. What did Angelica done? She bloody pulled down that damn fire alarm again. Oh my gosh! Thank you so much for telling me. I'm gonna ground her very harshly. You are welcome. Have a nice day. Bye bye. That freaking psychopathic moron pulled the damn fire alarm again. When I saw her, I'm gonna scalp his arse very hard. Oh, she's here.
Hi Daddy, what's up?
Come here now.
Oh bollocks, I'm so screwed.
Excuse me? What did you just say, you psychopath moron?
Oh, nothing.
Yeah, that's why I thought. You jerky moron. Guess what? You are a goddamn freaking stupid ass idiot. If you don't come here in 5 seconds,
I am gonna ground you and screaming in front of the whole public.
Okay. Jesus Christ. So, Dad, what do you have to say to me?
Gregory versus Angelica, round 1.
He has been boxing the world champions in WWE. He has won the boxing belts for 51 years, major and world circuit, and he got retired after 51 years when he became the champion. Now, seriously, it's time to ground that stupid freaking sarcastic moron psychopath punk moronic idiot weirdo slunkback piece of crap. Angelica Chris Pickles. You are so freaking grounded for 900,500,000 years. I cannot freaking goddamn believe you pulled out flipping fire alarm. Why can't you just behave for once? I really had enough of you. Instead of calling you Angelica, I'm gonna call you Troublemaker. Troublemaker, Troublemaker, Troublemaker. Stop with your goddamn crying, you freaking troublemaker ass punk. This is all your fault for doing this. Maybe that's enough. I freaking hate you, troublemaker.
I'm freaking hate you too. You're ungrateful.
Go to your goddamn smelly ass room right this instant. And don't you dare cry.
Angelica, downstairs, now.
For crying very, very loud, I am throwing you away to Antarctica.
No, please, not Antarctica, anything but that. The temperature is so cold and I don't have jackets.
I don't care. That will teach you a valuable lesson. You're gonna be staying here for 5 minutes. Now, prepare for liftoff. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off.
Oh my god, I am freezing, and I don't want to live with the penguins. No.